how can I be of benefit in my industry, in my profession, to work for something bigger? I'm saying, even suppose we're just starting our careers, how can I make my workplace better? So when you walk into the office, what is your energy? Does it deplete the energy of the office? People say, oh, she's coming. Or do you add to the energy in the office? Do you make people feel better, supported? What is your energy? What are you bringing? And all it is just a change of why. And depending on your influence, you can magnify that. So it's simple. When you are interacting, it could be a person on a call service talking to a customer. What is your attitude? If it's just about the salary, you do it without any enthusiasm. It's just to get the work done, get to the end of the day. But if it's about the work, if it's about serving the other person, how can I genuinely help you? And that change the other person can feel. And that change makes you motivated, becomes interesting. So even now, I've probably given a similar lecture like this, maybe 250 times. But why I'm able to be enthusiastic or inspired by it is because I'm thinking about how to share this with you. So it's fresh, it's new. Similarly, like with a doctor-patient, right? A patient comes in and the doctor sees the patient and thinks, holiday in Goa. Or they can think, how do I treat this patient so they never come back to me again? Not because I do a bad job, but because I take care of them so well, they don't have to come back to me. What is your attitude? And that attitude is not for the other person, it's for you. That's where you get the motivation.